Did you know that in Pixlr you can auto fix your images? Like, you don't have to work that much in your photo, you don't have to go through all those editing process. Like, all you have to do is click that auto fix button and Pixlr will do all for you. Like, it's almost like you can tap and your photo will get edited for you. Pixlr will do that. So let's dive right in without any further ado. We'll tap into the app itself. And suppose, okay, this is the photo I'm going to autofix, right? Right now, this photo is like very less exposure. This photo it's more into like dark aesthetic kind of thing. So I want to autofix this, right? So all you have to do is go into the left bottom corner. There's an option that is tools. So here you can see autofix option right in the side of adjustment. Let's tap in that autofix option. And can you see the difference? Like, it is more vibrant and bright looking. So all I did was tap in that button, one tap. All it took was one tap and your photo is all ready for you. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.